Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Trello Business Class easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect with Trello Business Class, start by opening your web browser. Visit the Trello website at www.trello.com. If you already have a Trello account, click on the Login button. Enter your email and password, then click Login. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button and follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the home page. Look for the option to upgrade your account, typically found in the sidebar or account settings. Click on Upgrade and then select Trello Business Class from the options presented. Review the features of Business Class to ensure it meets your needs. Click the Sign Up or Start Free Trial button for Business Class. You will be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill in the required billing details and confirm your subscription. After completing the process, you will receive a confirmation of your subscription. Return to your Trello homepage to access Business Class features. Explore the additional functionalities, like workspaces and advanced automation. Begin organizing your projects with the enhanced tools at your disposal. Take advantage of the collaboration features to invite team members. Share your boards and assign tasks to make teamwork seamless. Familiarize yourself with the settings to customize your experience. Start building your first business class board to get the most out of your subscription. Enjoy the benefits of Trello Business Class as you manage your projects more efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.